Okay, Patrick, so I'm going to go ahead and go through an example of how to do this problem forwards, and then I'm going to come up with a fake problem to show you how to work backwards, so when you get to those, you know how to do them. So what these problems are doing is they're trying to say, I've got 24 quarts, which is a lot. Now I can break that into a certain number of gallons and some leftover quarts. So it's like saying you've got a whole bunch of things, but I don't want to talk about it all very big. I want to break it down into pieces. So basically, I need to break down my quarts into gallons. So there are 4 quarts in a gallon. So if I start breaking this down into fours, so I've got 4, that would be 1, right? That'd be 1 gallon. Got another 4, that would be 8. Let me make sure your question said 24, right? I hope I wrote down your question correctly. I think it said 24. So then I'd have another 4, that would be 12, 16, 20, 24, and I actually would have none left over. So in this case, 24 quarts would be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gallons, and nothing left over because 6 times 4 is exactly 24, so I'd have nothing left over. Now, if, for example, this said 25 gallons, if this said 25 quarts, all right, well, in that case, I would still have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 times 4. And the reason I'm using 4 is because there's 4 quarts in a gallon. So it just depends what you're converting. Okay, that's where the 4 came from. That. So that would give me 24 gallons. But I've got one extra one left over. Sorry, that would give me 6 gallons. So that means one left over. So if I have 24 of them, and I got 25 here, then my answer would be 6 gallons and 1 quart. Because 6 times 4 would make up the 24 quarts, and that one extra one would make up the 25. Okay? So you're taking whatever your total is, and you're breaking it up into its pieces and how much is left over, like a remainder. Now, what if I gave you a different example? What if I said that you are, or I'll do me, I am 5 feet 4 inches tall. So, and I want to know how many inches tall am I? So, I know, we don't remember, right? These are our conversions here, okay? There's 12 inches in a foot, there's 3 feet in a yard, etc. So there's 12 inches in a foot. So, for my 5 feet, I have 12 inches for every one of those. So there's my 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my beautiful 5 feet. Each are 12 inches, 12, 12, 12, 12. 5 times 12 is 60. So I have 60 inches if I'm 5 feet. But I also have the extra 4 inches right here. So 60 plus 4 would be 64 inches. So that's how you can take your pieces, put them into a big thing, or take a big thing and break them down into your pieces.